What's going on, you guys? This is Tyler from Stapled Media, finally back with another video. It's been quite a while since I've made something, but I felt like I should actually do something today because we're here for the grand opening of Galacticoaster at Legoland California. Should be pretty fun. They're about to do the big opening ceremony, so let's go ahead and cut over to that.
I do have a coaster now. You do have a coaster.
What is up, Legoland California Resort? How are you doing today? That was pretty good, but I'm pretty sure you can be louder than that. How are you doing today? Incredible! We are just 10 minutes away from our opening ceremony. Are you excited? Fantastic, my friends. We will be getting started in just 10 minutes. I'll see you then. Greetings, space travelers, and welcome to the grand opening ceremony of Lego Galaxy.
Transmission from Nova. Incoming transmission from Nova.
Nova, did you find Button?
Not yet. And it seems like you could use a hand out there.
Yes.
I know just who can help. I'm sending you the most experienced explorers in the Lego Galaxy. The Junior Galaxy Explorers.
Yes! Here we go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Blast off!
That was a pretty cool opening ceremony. I actually missed, they did a flyover like after the ceremony was over. I think it was supposed to happen sooner, but I unfortunately did not get that on camera, but it was pretty cool. They had a couple planes from the nearby airport go over the park, which was neat. But yeah, looks like the ride isn't going to be opening until 11 o'clock. We have about half an hour, a little more than half an hour before the ride opens. But it should be awesome once we can finally get in there. So everything does have to go into a locker. However, the first 2 hours are completely free. We love free lockers, yay. We are now in line for Galacticoaster. Estimated wait time of an hour, according to one of our ride operator friends. But we've also heard 2 hours from other ride operators. So we will see. Entering the queue. Ice Planet, royalty-free Hoth. It's cool. And oh, extended queue. I should have figured. Well, it's not too bad out here. I think it should be okay. This is cool. Look at him. Oh, look up there. It's like the Galaxarium.
We got a Cosmic Rewind. We have Cosmic Rewind.
We have Cosmic Rewind at home. He's cool. He looks great.
You need to locate these separator forms in your spaceships.
I love Jones, the cat.
That bit, haven't you been?
All hail Jones.
Just getting there. Okay, cadets. First, you need to customize your spacecraft
Cool.
so
Go around.
awesome that it grabs the separator's attention like nothing else.
Got some more interior queue here after the pre-show. It's interesting, the pre-show is like right at the beginning of the queue. I thought it would be closer to the end, but it looks like there's more queue over there as well. This is neat. These screens, I thought they were just like normal TVs, but they're not. Look at that. They're like see-through. It's really cool. Terminal 5. I see we tap our wristband. Or not? Maybe we have to wait. Yeah.
Come in, cadets. Be you read me? As the asteroid of probable destruction is zooming closer to spaceport, it's messing with my signal. I'm sending over blueprints for the basic spacecraft I designed for your mission. Your task is...
Cheeseburger!
Yeah,
That's horrible.
man.
Let's go through the options. That's not bad. That looks pretty good.
X-Wing, dude.
I like that one.
You doing the burger?
Yeah, go burger. Let's go burger. Screw it. Why not?
Pressing on. It's time to pick your spacecraft's tail. Tap the screen to try them out.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought there were balloons, so we could do the up thing. Yeah.
What a ship.
It's kind of good.
Pretty great. And now we are boarding. I gotta say, that little pre-show bit where we got to build our spaceship was very well done. Very similar to how Test Track was over at Epcot, the old version of Test Track now. But I think this was more well... Yeah, Test Track 2. I think this was more well done, actually. And we're about to board. Unfortunately, I cannot take you guys on the ride. We do not have permission from the park to film, so I'll see if I can find a POV to put in the video for you guys, but just in case I don't, keep that in mind, and we'll see you when we get off.
Sector Alpha ahead. Separator swarm up ahead. Hold it steady. That's a big swarm. For the asteroid. They're taking it apart. Full course, now. Let's get out of here. Whoa! Lightspeed! Woohoo!
Yahoo! Welcome back! You saved Spaceport!
I'm gonna be honest, I was a little bit skeptical because before going into the ride, I did have it spoiled. I knew how short it was. It is a very short ride. But while you're on it, it didn't actually feel that short. Like, it felt complete. Like, that was a really fun roller coaster. It had airtime. It's the only ride in the park that has airtime, I think. I don't think there's anything else here that has airtime. Seriously though, like, really good. Easily the best ride in the park, worth the wait. We only waited an hour, and we were all the way out over there. So capacity is great, efficiency is great. Had a really good time on this. We're gonna try some food here at UFO, Ultimate Food Outpost. This used to be Urban Kitchen, where they had like a whole bunch of old school Lego sets and stuff in it, which is pretty cool. But it looks really nice now.
Oh, what I expected.
It's got the Crater Chicken sandwich. I don't remember what it was called, but it looks good. We're about to go again, round 2.
Welcome back!
So in total, we got 5 rides on Galacticoaster. Really, really good. We rode in every seat we could, edge seat, center seat, front row, back row. It is a really, really fun attraction. Here's what I will say though. The back row on the outside seat is a little bit shakier than the front row. If you want a super smooth ride, front row inside seat is the way to go, but it isn't like insanely shaky to the point where, you know, you're gonna be in pain. Even though it's a very, very short ride, it still pulls some pretty good forces. There's this one turn kind of towards the end where you get some pretty good positives, and there's one hill where you actually get some pretty good floater airtime, especially if you're in the back. If you sit in the front, you're gonna have a much better time on that first launch. It feels a lot more punchy, but if you sit in the back, you get pulled over some of those hills pretty good, and you get a little bit of floater airtime. Well, the park is now closed, so that is going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to subscribe. If you haven't already, leave a like on the video, and check out the Instagram run by Jake. The Instagram will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, that's gonna do it. See you guys in the next one.